Finals na. Final na. Dami pa. Konting aral, konting dasal. Isang gabi na lang na ako na naman mag-isa. Huwag kang mapapagod. Magpadala sa tukso ng unan at kumot. Kaya mo to.
Konti na lang. Patapos na.
Isa na lang. Kaya mo to.
Okay. E di isa pa.
Looking in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true.
Sabi nila, your friends are your family. At habang tumatagal, lalong lumalabas ang pagkapamilya nyo.
That I'm feeling for you.
Let them say we're crazy. I don't care about that. Put your hand in my hand, baby. Don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart. And we can build this dream together.
So diba? Parang pamilya. Kasi ang dami na naming pinagdaanan. I guess lahat ng barkada may version yan. May kumukuya, nagpapakamami, or tumitita.
Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now.
Alam nyo, ang daming nagbabago sa buhay. Pero the best friendships are still the ones na time-tested. Kaya lagi mong babalik-balikan. At kahit ano pang changes ang dumating, kakapit ka pa rin talaga sa mga masasarap kasama. Sarap na 100% maaasahan. Parang best friends. Parang family.